In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Godaddy to create and publish your website in just about 5 minutes. Launching a new website can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not overly tech savvy, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll see just how straightforward and quick it can actually be with Godaddy's user-friendly tools and interfaces. First things first, let's dive into accessing your Godaddy account. The journey begins at the Godaddy homepage. Locate and click on the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing all of Godaddy's services. Once you've clicked on it, you will be prompted to enter your Godaddy username and password. Make sure you type these incorrectly to avoid any issues logging in. If you've forgotten your password, there's always a recovery option you can use. After you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button once again to finalize the process. Now you're in. You've successfully accessed your Godaddy dashboard. From here, it's all about customization and creativity. Start by navigating to the website section of your dashboard. You're going to find a world of options here, but your next step is to click on Edit Website. This action will take you straight to the Godaddy website editor, a space where your creative input comes to life. Once inside the editor, you might find yourself initially overwhelmed by the possibilities. But don't worry. Start by exploring the editor to familiarize yourself with its layout and functionalities. Your next move is to edit your page. This might involve a variety of actions like changing text, adjusting layouts, or even rethinking the navigation of your site. The editor is designed to be intuitive, encouraging you to experiment with different looks and structures without the fear of messing anything up. Remember, everything can be undone or tweaked, so give free rein to your creativity. You're likely to want to add more to your page, which is where Add Sections plays a crucial role. Sections are essentially building blocks of your website. Think of them as individual pieces of content, like About Us information, product highlights, or contact forms that make up the whole. Godaddy offers a wide range of pre-designed sections that you can customize to fit your unique needs. Drag and drop them into your page, and then modify them as you see fit. Once you've added sections, you might want to adjust the overall style and add images to make your site visually appealing. Godaddy's editor allows you to change the site's color scheme, fonts, and more with just a few clicks. Adding images is equally straightforward, whether it's a banner image, product photos, or something else. Godaddy facilitates this process, making it simple to upload and place images on your site. Nearly there. Before going live, I highly recommend leveraging Godaddy's preview feature. This is a crucial step. It's your opportunity to see your website as others will. Take your time here. Navigate through your site, click links, and make sure everything looks and functions as expected. Adjustments can still be made, so if something doesn't look right or work well, now's your chance to polish. The final step, and definitely the most exciting one, is publishing your website. Once you're completely satisfied with how everything looks and works in the preview, it's time to introduce your site to the world. Go back to the editor and look for the Publish button. Clicking this will make your website live, accessible to anyone with an internet connection, and there you go. You've just navigated the full process of using Godaddy's website builder from signing in to going live. Remember, maintaining a website is an ongoing process. As your business or personal project grows and evolves, your website should too. Godaddy makes it easy to come back and make adjustments whenever you need, ensuring your online presence is always fresh and engaging. I hope this guide has empowered you to take that step and start your own website project with Godaddy. Whether you're promoting a business, showcasing a portfolio, or launching an online store, you now have the knowledge to make it happen. Dive in, explore, and most importantly, have fun creating. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing what amazing websites you will come up with.